Hello there, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily find the equation of a line in Google Sheets. To get the equation of a line, you will need to use the linest function which calculates the slope and y-intercept of a line linear regression. For that, first input your x values in one column and the y values in the next. Now, click on a blank cell, then type equals to
capital L I N E S T.
open bracket, select y range, comma, space, and x range, close bracket, where y range is your dependent data and x range is your independent data. Once you press enter, you'll see the slope and y-intercept of the best fit line. Now to write the equation, the slope will be the first number and the y-intercept will be the second. So the equation of the line looks like y equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And that's it. Using linest, you can quickly find the equation of a line in Google Sheets. It's a great tool for analyzing trend in your data. So if this felt helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tips.